Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Valariecoco, and what we are doing, we are cooking and preparing for my mukbang, guys. More important, you guys, is that I am making the QDQ sauce. Finally, you guys, I didn't have all my ingredients, but now I have them and I'm so excited. You guys, if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Everyone is welcome. Everyone. Go ahead and hit that like button. Bang that bell so you'll get the notifications as soon as your girl posts a new video. For all my oldies but goodies, y'all already know what's up. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. You guys, it's a wash day. If you notice, I've been wearing scarves and all of the above. So what we got going on today is I finally blew it out. And now I got to press it out. But for now, you guys are more important. So I want to come on and show you guys how I make this QDQ sauce. I did follow her recipe. You guys know I'm not a fan of the heat. So what I'm probably going to end up doing, you guys, is omitting. I'm going to go with the Cajun instead of the peppers. I might just put a dash of pepper in there, or I may just leave the pepper out altogether because I really don't want to mess up the situation. So yeah guys, let's get started. Oh my god, you guys, I am burning frosted cranberry. Oh my god, it smells so good. I know, how am I burning the candle in the kitchen, right? Yeah, I know, but I am. And I just love the smell, you guys. And we got some fried shrimp over here. We have some fried colossal jumbo shrimp over here. I filleted some of them, or butterfly some of them, should I say, and then the other ones I cooked the regular way. And then we also have spicy wings, you guys. So we're gonna have the fried shrimp. The wings are drenched in this sauce, sweet and tangy. So yeah, so guys, let's get started. We do have, it's a whole bunch of stuff going on in this kitchen, you guys, right now, but the focus is the QDQ sauce. So that's what I really want to come on and show you guys me make. So we started out with some butter. I am following Dame Dash recipe as far as how he does his crab legs, and I'm gonna put them in the oven. Basically, you're, you know, seasoning to taste. So he does, he seasoned. Oh, you guys can't even see what I'm doing. I have this accent sauce, salt in there, sassoon, onion powder, that's not open, garlic powder. I'm gonna show you guys what everything looked like when I'm done. Parsley, and of course we're gonna go in again with some more parsley for the toppings. I'm gonna go in with some chipotle roasted garlic, you guys, just because I want to be extra. And minced garlic, you guys. Oh, and Creole seasoning, and I'm gonna go in with obey. Obey. All right, y'all, where's the onion powder that is actually open? There it is. All right, how you guys doing? I hope y'all having a good day. This is gonna be a little short video, you guys. And you know what, I love to go in with a little, I put garlic powder, but I'm gonna actually add a little garlic salt also, as far as, well, you know what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on top of well, I can put it in, I'll put it in there. Okay, and then these are your seasonings. It should look like this. Oh, he put a cup of water, and he said it will thicken up. I didn't put the full cup in there either, you guys. Oh, all right. All right, the oven is already preheated on 400. My butter has had time to thicken up, but you all already know that'll melt down. You already know that will melt down as soon as that heat hit it. So you should have something like this. Of course, like I said, my butter, I've been put the butter in there, so don't even mind the butter. Oh, we got to put our garlic in. And our minced garlic. I love minced garlic, so I'm gonna go with a tablespoon. So I'm gonna put a tablespoon in the mix, but I'm also gonna put another tablespoon on top. Okay, here's our legs. I'm gonna rinse them again. I'll put you right here. Okay guys, I will be back when I'm finished preparing it, and I'm gonna show you how they should look in your baking dish.
I'm the faster. Oh my god. It looks like pudding.
I haven't even tasted, you guys, because I want my authentic reaction to be with you guys. Yeah, here it is. This is my cutie Q sauce. I am so excited. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my god, y'all. I'm just so excited. I just know I'm gonna love it. I know I'm gonna love it. Oh my god, it smells so good, you guys. I started to put some lemon in there, but I'm gonna just go ahead and put the lemon on the crab, and then when I dip it, you know how we do. Oh, you guys, let me show you my crab legs. They're done. So much. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and bang that bell so you can be notified every time your girl uploads a brand new video. Thank you guys so much for your support. Until the next time I see you, love, peace, happiness, and you already know.